So what's up, guys? Yesterday I did a little project right here to cut this thing off my window washer bottle. As you can see right here, this piece had to come off. Why? Because my wheels were going against it right here in this area. Pretty stupid if you ask me. No, we still have this problem in the back here where the wheel actually touches the tension rod. Don't know if you guys can see that right there. So that's something that I need to look into later. So we're just gonna put back the washer bottle. As you can see, Full Car Tuning sponsored me with these nice rims. I still have to put the Dornheim tool stickers on there. I only made a cut of it, but that sticker is going to go away. And we're going to have Dornheim tools on there, but it's not really that super important right now because there are no drift days right now with the whole Corona thing. And of course, we're still using the Autolift 3000, which is not even at its full capacity right now. It could go way higher, but this was the exact amount that I needed to put back the washer bottle. We're still using the Trotec, and we're still using the Dornheim Tools Fort bore machine, drilling machine. So yeah, we're just gonna put back the washer bottle and see how that fits with the wheel on there. So now it's back in place right here. As you can see, it's hopefully it's gonna be enough. This is just a little bit of space that's sticking out. It's just, I put an aluminium plate on here, put a little bit of tactile body spray on there, and I just kitted it off with this stuff. Seems to be watertight. It's a little bit loose here, just a little bit because the bolt down there broke, and that one right there. But that's okay, it's old and rusty anyway, so now we're gonna put on the wheels and see if it's gonna touch. These wheels come out a little bit, they stick out a little bit. The ET value is a little bit too much, but that's fine. Of course the car is in the air still, but we're just gonna turn the wheel and see what happens. So I need to put my newly generated key. See, this whole fob, I fixed that. It's broken from the ex-owner. Just gonna put it into the car. And we're gonna gently turn the wheel. Don't know if I can do it like this, but we'll hear. Nope. There you go. See, not much clearance at all, but just enough for as well the up top area as the bottom area. So this thing right here, this piece of plastic, this was sticking out, as you can see when I hold it here. It was completely eating up the tire. You can see the marks on there. So yeah, I think we fixed that for now. Of course, it's still gonna run into either the bodywork or this bar right here. This is it the tension? This is actually the sway bar, isn't it? Looks like it's the sway bar. I don't know all these technical names of all these rods and bars and shit, but that's gonna be a thing where my car runs into. It's the wheels, but it's also the lock. I have these GS300 with rack spacers on there. Still need to get the alignment done. Don't know if we have enough thread to fix that shit. So now I'm gonna turn it the other way, because we know that one works. It's pretty, it's a decent amount of lock if you ask me. It's pretty nice actually. And then we have, of course, the one where it runs into is the tension rod right there. So it's just, oh, this one is less. So it's the alignment that needs to be done. And that's gonna be less of a problem. Might have to buy a thread, a nut with a thread maker on there to fix that, but it's gonna be fine, I suppose. So now we're gonna put it down and see what it does from there. So there we go. Got the car started.